Tether Gold may post a 0.4% gain by April 25, CoinDataFlow suggests. But first, here's the current view of today's activity. Based on the latest data, Tether Gold has lost 0.3% since yesterday and is now near $4,680.20. Let's examine the analysts' market views. By tomorrow, CoinDataFlow says we might be at $4,696.55, which reflects a gain of about 0.4%. CoinPrice forecast expects Tether Gold to reach $4,687, a projected increase of about 0.2%. CoinCodex points out it could test the $4,670.93 level lower, a downward move of 0.2%. Another analysis by Traders Union projects Tether Gold might slide toward $4,661.65, an estimated loss near 0.4%. Finally, 30 rates sees the value moving down to $4,656 by April 25, 0.5% under now. This is the top profit forecast. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a drop of 0.5% and an increase of 0.4% depending on the analyst. From all predictions, 30 rates takes the lead with 0.5% improvement in value by April 25. So it turns out you could earn between $2 and $5 for every $1,000 you invest. In the probability rankings, CoinPrice forecast stands in first place with a 68.2% chance of success. Looking at the full set of 5 forecasts, I've worked out a combined scenario. With all forecasts combined, the consensus places Tether Gold near $4,674.43. Let's walk through the details. Consensus modeling shows the price trending down by 0.1%. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 0.1% reflecting that same shift. A 1,000 example position may imply potential gains near $1. And overall, this consensus outcome for Tether Gold is given a probability of 69.2%. Coming up, let's find out what analysts are projecting for the 3-day horizon. CoinDataFlow expects Tether Gold to decline steadily. CoinPrice forecast suggests the market will hold its ground. Similarly, CoinCodex notes the short-term trend looks flat, with little to indicate significant shifts. Traders Union emphasizes selling pressure dominating. Additionally, 30 rates points to a bearish path. The consensus analysis points to Tether Gold softening over the coming days. So, 80% of analysts anticipate Tether Gold will face downside pressure in the coming 3 days. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $4,685.10. The closing price showed that most forecasts were accurate about the trend. The closest prediction came from CoinDataFlow. Now we'll take it step by step. Yesterday's candle excluded all 5 predictions. Regarding ROI, several forecasts showed positive returns, and the best result hit 1.3%. Here's the full overview, all forecasts verified and compared. For today's numbers, Gulf Capital Collector had 70.3% forecast probability and minus 1.3% in profitability. Accuracy came in at $73.22. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets, including Tether Gold. Tether Gold isn't on top in this comparison since AVE currently leads with 1% potential growth. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and the full comparison of many cryptocurrencies by forecasted returns will also be published on my website and Telegram. The market moves fast, so hit subscribe and don't fall behind. See you back here tomorrow.